Sino ba nauna?
Interject.
Okay,
Then,
Sir, I just hope that
of the
time will not be
Yes, that
be
is
deducted
clear.
from this
with the
representation. Thank you.
permission of Senator
Yes.
Villanueva and the Chair,
Thank you so much, Madam Chair.
of the 756 police operations, ito yung meron namatay na 9 at may wounded na 18, hindi ba? Kasama doon. Kailangan bang merong masugatang pulis o may mamatay na pulis para sabihin nating nag-resist ng arrest yung mga quarries ninyo sa illegal drugs? Automatic bang kailangan may masugatan na pulis? Hindi naman, di ba?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Kasi minsan, bida rin naman yung pulis, hindi tinatamaan.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, the fact that there are 9 dead, 9 yung Kia, 18 yung WIA, ibig sabihin, talaga merong resistance. But it doesn't follow na kapag walang nasugatan sa hanay ng pulis, walang resistance, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. And we should consider that we are fighting people who are abnormal. Yung utak nila, apektado na po yung sa droga. They can do bizarre things at any time. So, kami mga pulis, pag kami pumasok, maliguro talaga kami, Your Honor.
That's all, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair.